guys, what is up everybody? I'm Seychelle and you're watching the channel Tackle Craving. I'm so excited that I'm starting my first cooking video right now, and I know it's been quite a long since I posted my first intro video and there was some reason that I couldn't do it earlier, but then I think I am back in track and I came up with an amazing food recipe to you all. And today it's gonna be my first video, right? So why don't I just start with something simple, something beginner friendly. So this is so amazing, so crunchy, so delicious. And what is it? Today we're gonna be making sugar cookie, which is eggless, and guess what? You just need only 4 ingredients. And I haven't used any sort of fancy items like beater or any of the stuff. I just used whisk, and yeah, you're just gonna need only simple things to begin with everything, right? Also, I have did this in microwave. I have convection microwave, and I'm going to be telling you the information on how to bake in convection microwave. Trust me guys, this is so easy, so amazing to make. Let's get started. In a bowl, add a half cup of butter, now whisk it well till it turns little yellow, not too yellow. Now add half a cup of sugar and whisk it till it turns pale. Whisk well. Make sure you're cleaning up the sides so that everything you can get it into a bowl. Now you have to add the flour gradually, not all at once but gradually. Now add baking soda, half a teaspoon. Now add the second half of the flour. Mix well. Now the third part of flour and mix well again. Now use your hand to make it into a ball shape. In a dough mat or any other surface, take your dough and make it into a ball again. Keep it firm so that it doesn't have a crumbly texture. Now I'm taking in a bowl and placing this ball into that, covering it with lid, and I'm gonna refrigerate it for 30 minutes. I like to eat the leftover doughs, so do try. The clock ticks 0. Now take out the dough into the mat. It's crumbly now, but then we can fix it later on. Make again a ball. Take your rolling pin and smash it. No, you have to roll it out to make it like a plate dough. It may crumble a little, but then while you kneading it, it will come back to its. Roll it out like you make a roti. Now you have to be in a larger one. Whatever that left in the rolling pin, make sure you're pulling them out. Nothing big difference will happen. I have a lot of cookie cutters. You can use any shape you want. I'm just having the stairs, heart, any shape. But today I'm gonna be classic and I'm gonna just use the circle one. Use the sharper side. Got it? Remove the sides and take a spatula, and then you can easily take that out. It's easy. In a microwave tawa or any other we can be used in microwave, underneath I have placed a butter, and then I placed on parchment paper above that, and placed the cookie dough on above the paper. Make sure that you give a little space to each other. Now we'll go for the microwave convection settings. I'm pressing this convection mode, and if I keep on pressing this, it will reach to 180 degrees, and that is what we're gonna bake for. So it's preheating now. I'm using IFB, so when my preheating stops, it will go automatically. Now I'm gonna bake my cookies for 15 minutes. It's done now. Make sure you're cooling it, and now serve it. This is crazy delicious. I really love this so much. It's so crunchy. Still melting in my mouth. Please do give this a try. If you like this video, please do like this video. And please subscribe to my channel for further more exciting things to come up. And please share with your friends so that you could enjoy with your friends, so that they also could know about my channel and my crazy delicious recipes. Thank you. See you guys in my next video. Ciao.